Hello everyone, today we're going to solve our workbook related to the lesson Day and Night, pages 139 to page 142. You can use your book to help you fill in the blanks. Number 1. Earth, what causes day and night? So the earth will do what to cause day and night? The earth's rotation causes day and night. Number 2. It is what when our side of earth faces the sun. So look at the picture. He's saying that our side of the earth facing toward the sun. So this side facing toward the sun. So it is day when our side of earth faces toward the sun. Number 3. When our side of earth faces the sun, as we said before, it is day. So it is what on the other side? We can look at the other side now. It is night on the other side. Number 4. Earth always what in the same direction? So we need the verb here. Earth do what in the same direction? Earth always rotates in the same direction, from west to east. Number 5 now. It takes 24 hours for Earth to make one full turn on its what? Look at the picture, it might help. So the Earth rotates and make a full turn around the axis. Number 6. The axis is an imaginary line that goes through the of the earth. Look at the axis. It goes through the what of the earth? Through the center of the earth. Now we're going to talk about why do the sun and moon seem to move. 7. The what seems to move across the sky during the day? So during the day when I look at the sky, I will see the what moves across the sky during the day? The sun. So the sun seems to move across the sky during the day. Shadows on the ground change as the earth will do what? To have different positions of the sun. The earth rotates. So the sun and moon seems to move in the sky, but in truth the earth is the one who's rotating. 9. At night, the what seems to move to? Look at the picture. The moon seems to move too. This is because what is rotating? Who's doing the rotation? The earth. So number 10, this is because earth is rotating, not the sun and the moon. Now open page 141 and let's fill in the blanks with the word from the box. We have axis, day, night, rotation. Number 1. Night and what are caused by the Earth's rotation? Night and axis, night and day, night and night, or night and rotation. Of course, night and day are caused by the Earth's rotation. Cross it. Number 2. Earth, what never changes direction? The earth will do what? Axis, night, or rotation? Earth rotation never changes direction. Let's cross it too. Number 3. Every 24 hours, Earth rotates once on its, the Earth will rotate on its axis. Number 4. When it is day, where you live, it is what on the other side? Of course, it is the opposite. So if it's day where you live, it is night on the other side of the world. Now, open page 142. Also, we are going to fill in the blanks. Use the words from the box. We have axis, earth, rotation, sun, day, night, shadows. Let's start. You cannot feel it, but you are spinning right now. In fact, what is always spinning? So in fact, who's spinning? The earth. It spins all what and all night? It spins all day and all night. It even spins when you are asleep. This turning is called earth. This spinning, we call it what? And this turning, we call it rotation. It is why we have day and what? That's why we have day and night. Every 24 hours, Earth rotates one time on its what? The Earth will rotate on its axis. As it rotates, light from the, who will light the Earth? Light from the sun lights a different part of the planet. This is why what are longer during the day. When it is day on one side of the world, it's night on the other side of the world. So again, this is why what are longer during the day. So what's the thing that's longer during the day? This is why shadows are longer during the day. Thank you.